In this video, I'll show you 3 different tips for UV mapping that will save you way more time and make your life way easier in Cinema 4D. First things first, let's set up our layout properly. First, let's head to Window and then add the Layer Manager. Grab it from these 3 lines here and duck it into coordinates. We will do these steps again. We will hit to Window and then add the color setting. As we did before, we will grab these 3 lines here and duck it here. I leave it when I see this straight line. This is where I want it to be. Now let's start by creating a cube. Then I'll press C to make it an editable mesh. Then I'll hit here to grab my polygon selection. I'll just select one of them and then hit Ctrl A to select all of them. After that, I'll hit to the UV manager. In the projection tab, I'll choose cubic 2. Now in the texture UV editor, I'll head to file and make a new texture. From this panel, I won't change anything. I'll just press OK. As you can see in the layers, it made a new layer with the name background. So now let's say that you misclicked anywhere in the object manager like this and you deselected your object. Normally you would hit back and select it again, but as you can see, we can't find the texture we've made. So to solve this issue, all we need to do is heading back to File here and then press on Save All Textures, since we didn't save it the last time we were here. So click on it. This menu will pop up. Choose your desired extension. I usually go with BSDs and then press OK. Choose your location to save it and rename it maybe. And now after you do so, just press save. After doing this, head back to File and then press on Open Texture. Go to the location that you saved your texture in the first time and reopen it. And there you go. Now let's say that you want to export your UV islands to Photoshop so that you can paint on them there. All you need to do is heading to Layers. In the Functions menu, you will have to press New Layer. Now make sure that you have selected all the polygons here and then hit to Layer and then choose Outline Polygons like this. I can see it's already added, but it have been added in a white color. That's not what I really want. So let's hit to the color section here and just make it a black color. We will do the same process again, heading to Layer and then press on Outline Polygons. As you can see, we've made it. All you need to do now is head to File and then save the texture as. Choose your desired extension. I go for PSD. Now press OK and choose your location to save it. Now, as you can see, the thickness of the lines around the polygon islands is way too big. Like I can see it from here. So it's a kind of tricky to reduce the width for it, but it's easy to be done if you know how. Let's do it. First, let's remove this layer by right-clicking on it, and then let's choose Delete Layer. Let's make a new layer now from Function, and then choose New Layer. After that, let's hit here to the Texture UV Editor. Press on this little arrow right here and go to the Paint tab and then choose Brush. Now head to the Attribute Manager and you can see the size of the brush that being used. Just reduce this 40 to something like 2, for example. Now head back and choose the polygon selection tool. Let's go to layers and then outline polygons. We have selected the black color before, so it would be in black. Now let's go to file and save our texture. It would be save texture as. I'll choose BSD, so I'll press OK. I'll save it here. And now in Photoshop, as you can see, it's way smaller than the previous one. And that's it.